Hello my fibre friends, how are you all today? Well, today, look what's arrived. My Crochet Society box has arrived. So, and let's see what's inside, shall we? So, the sentiment says, bloom where you are planted. It's really nice. And then in the inside, it's kind of a peach colour. So we'll open it up and let's see what we've got. Oh, this is nice. So we've got this really nice crochet hook, which will go in my whip trolley. So that's nice, isn't it? And then I've got a stitch marker, which is a plant. See, that's, whoops, it's my stitch marker. And then we've got oh, what a shame, never mind, we've got this this yarn. I've got 3 balls, so I've got navy, grey and cream, and they are a medium weight 4, an Aran, 4.5 needles and knitting needles and crochet hook, US 7. It is 100% recycled, so we've got 51% acrylic, 38% wool and 8% polyamide and 3% fibre, diverse mixture of fibres. So this is going to go in a giveaway because, as you all know, I can't use anything that's got wool in. It's really nice and soft, and what I like is, if you can see, yeah, it's really nice. How many? Oh, it's 50 grams, so you've got 350 grams. So these are going to have to go into a giveaway for this year because I can't use wool, which is such a shame. I've got this little package. Let's see what's in here. Oh, a nice little bracelet. Bracelet it is, with, and it's got the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 with a leaf. So I actually might make stitch markers with it. I think I'll make some stitch markers with it actually. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure it'll tell me in there. So I might make them into stitch markers. And then I've got a bamboo hook, and this will go into a giveaway with the yarn as well, because I don't particularly like wool wooden crochet hooks. They're not for me, and I'm not sure if you can see the hook, but so that is one of the reasons why I have now cancelled my subscription. So they're definitely going to be a giveaway, the yarn, because I can't use it unfortunately, which is such a shame. So what have we got in the magazine today? Let's see. So that's the beginning of it, and at the back you've got kind of, if you can see, you've got the measurements, US and UK conversion table, and the crochet terms as well for let's see what projects they've got in here. They've got some nice projects. Maybe I'm not going to be, I'll kind of have a go with the projects. So the Tea and Chat with Elizabeth Disamore, she's one of the who's contributed to, and Gan, which is the Haitian word for glove, although there's no equivalent to the nasal and sound in English. The best way to pronounce the word is gun. So that's the pattern from Elizabeth. So we've got that. Oh, this is a bracelet row counter actually. It's a bracelet row counter that what I'm going to turn into stitch markers. That'll be good, won't it? And it tells you about everything, and then it tells you about the yarn, which is from France. Goes through all that. And then the Sleepy Sheep, designed by Hannah Bishop, which are these cute little slipper socks. And look, they're cute. I won't use yarn wool on them. And then it just tells you about what you can win. Little you can win and save with Rebecca Haas, 40% off Crochet Now, Stitch and Story, and then win the Knit Pro Simiphone Rose. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they're wood, but I don't like wooden hooks, not for me. And then it just goes on about going green. So it's all about the plants this month. Dyeing yarn, talks about dyeing yarn and recycling fibre. And then we've got a bear hug, which you can make with it. And this was designed by Jane Howarth. And could even have a go with that. And then it just goes on to Crochet Society members makes what they've made using the different boxes, and then it goes on to the next box. But as I say, unfortunately I've cancelled this because it's £21.99 here in the UK, and last month and this month is going to be future giveaways because I can't use wool, which is such a shame. But for me, all I'll get out of it is this and the bracelet, which for £21 is not really good, is it? So although I'm impressed with the box and everything, and if you are, you know, somebody who can use wool, and they do acrylic and wool, it's just not for me. So but I hope you've enjoyed my little review of Crochet Society. I'm not by any means dissing it. I'm not kind of being negative about it, but for me personally, it's not worth it for me. I've had 3 boxes, and I just can't use wool, and I begrudge paying £22 for something when I can go out and pay that on yarn that I can use. But give it a go. You know, you can cancel at any time. But unfortunately for me, and I do like the booklets, and I will make some of the things in the booklets that I've got to what am I saying? I will use the booklet and the patterns inside as well, and it's a good read. So that's all from me for today. And if you've had Crochet Society, what do you think? It's such a shame. I like the colours, but this'll come in really handy. This will come in really handy, and I do like this stitch marker, but it is what it is, isn't it? So take care everybody, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and have a look at my membership. I have memberships. If you come to my channel, you'll see the little join button. Go and press on that and go and have a look, and it'll explain all about my membership. Have a lovely day and take care. Bye bye for now.